Uh, 5 minutes left. Come on, clock.
All right, class, get your notebooks and write this list down for you all to study this weekend. The Great Pyramids and the Age of the Pharaohs, the Greek-Roman Empire, the Revolutionary War, the Civil War. You got it?
One more assignment and I'm gonna pass out. Hola, mama.
David, I'm on my way to pick you up from work, and I've got your little sister with us. We're going to the mall downtown to pick up some things. I'm gonna need your muscles to help me and Kels with the bags. I'll meet you out front, okay?
Okay, I'll be right there. See you soon. Hey, Ma. Hey, Kelsey.
Hello.
So, how was your first day of school?
School is cool, Mom. School is cool.